Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a look I saw on Pinterest. It's very blue toned and cat eye and very like 60s themed and some faux freckles. I first started in by going in with the Quartz Colourpop palette in like grayish brown tones and did a bit of a cat eye shadow shape. Then I went in with the Colourpop on Cloud Blue palette and I took three different shades. Pale blue, a little bit more of a robin eggs blue, and a dark blue, and I shaded them in together. This was really fun for me. I haven't really played with this kind of look before. Kind of reminds me of like doing watercolor and blending the colors together. I think it turned out pretty cute. Definitely not like exact to the picture, but no one's perfect. And I think it's fun to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. I'm definitely gonna keep playing with this eyeshadow technique because I love the like gradient of the three colors blended together, plus with the like deeper crease. It's really fun and cute. But thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. Bye.